A foldable drone with 4K dual cameras, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance for this price? Today, we're testing the K102 MAX Drone. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing the K102 MAX Foldable Quadcopter, a lightweight drone packed with features like dual cameras, optical flow hovering, obstacle avoidance, and brushless motor performance. But can this budget drone actually deliver a good flying experience? Let's find out. First impressions, the K102 MAX looks sleek and modern. Foldable compact design. Lightweight at only 135 grams. Portable storage bag included. Stylish black and orange color option. Because it's lightweight and foldable, it's easy to carry for travel or outdoor fun. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The K102 MAX comes with 4K dual camera system, Wi-Fi live image transmission, camera switching support, and mobile app control. The front camera captures aerial footage, while the bottom camera helps with positioning and hovering. You also get features like face recognition autophoto, real-time FPV viewing, and trajectory flight. For casual aerial photography, it's surprisingly fun to use. This drone uses 1503 brushless motors. Compared to brush motors, they provide smoother flight, lower noise, better durability, and improved wind resistance. The optical flow hovering system also helps beginners keep the drone stable in the air. And obstacle avoidance adds extra confidence while flying indoors or around objects. The K102 MAX includes several beginner-friendly smart functions. One-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, 360-degree stunt rolls, fast and slow speed modes, gravity sensor control, and trajectory flight mode. You can even draw a path on your phone screen, and the drone will follow it automatically. Battery and range. Flight time is around 15 minutes. Remote control range is up to 500 meters. Wi-Fi image transmission range is around 100 meters. Charging takes about 1 hour using USB charging. For a compact drone in this price range, those numbers are pretty decent. In real-world use, the K102 MAX feels designed for beginners, casual content creators, outdoor fun, basic aerial photography. It's easy to fly, lightweight, and packed with features usually found on more expensive drones. So, is the K102 MAX worth buying? Foldable and portable? Brushless motor performance? Stable optical flow hover? Dual camera FPV system, beginner-friendly controls. But camera quality may not match true professional 4K4. Strong wind can affect stability. Obstacle avoidance is basic compared to premium drones. Still, for a budget-friendly foldable drone, it offers a surprisingly fun flying experience. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.